Let me restart that one. So my name is Taylor Segovia. I've been with AquaPhoenix for 6 years. I do software support and QA for the software division. So my role at AquaPhoenix is to test the software before it goes out and after it goes out, and then support it afterwards. So a favorite project of mine was transitioning from one hosting environment to another. At the time, it was really stressful and a lot of panic, but afterwards it was very rewarding, seamless to the users. They saw nothing, but to us it was a very big change. In the background we're moving mountains, but to them they see nothing. The magic behind the curtains. My most memorable moment was the chili cook-off back in 2017, our only chili cook-off, and I took first place. And I like to remind everybody around here that I'm still the reigning champ. I got the plaque in my office, so anytime anybody comes in and wants to talk food or anything like that, I usually just point to it and remind them. Advice for new hires: embrace the culture that we have here at AquaPhoenix. It's very inviting, very warm. Everybody wants you to thrive. That's how we get things done. If everybody is working hard and getting their part done, then as a team, we're doing great things. If I could learn to do anything new, it would probably be to fly or to weld. Flying, of course, owning your own airplane or getting to know somebody that has their own airplane. A little bit of a barrier there, but one day it'd be awesome to learn how to fly a plane. The welders here, they have tremendous talent, and some of the stuff I've seen them do on the side or even on site at the job is pretty awesome. So something that most people probably don't know about me is I worked in the service industry for 8 years. Picked up a lot of useful information there, people skills, getting to know people for better or for worse every day. Seeing so many new faces was pretty awesome. Favorite line from the movie: "Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order?" And "Hello" from Mrs. Doubtfire. So a core value that stands out to me is create a culture of team and family with open and honest communication. So a team is definitely open and honest with each other. It creates an awesome environment where we can kick butt, get everything done that we need to get done, and our customers really appreciate it. Yeah, so favorite food that I don't normally cook is a steaming bowl of pho. I love Vietnamese food. I have 3 pets, so me and my wife have 3 rescue dogs. They've all been to the office. I love that we can bring pets to the office here. So yeah, so there's Maxwell, Sophie, and Ladybird. Maxwell is our mix of hound and shepherd. Sophie is a pit. And then we have Ladybird, who is a pug and lab mix. She looks like a little lab puppy, but she's full grown. She has a lot of energy.